Hello guys, so in this video we're going to be checking out how to change the battery of our laptop. So as you can see, the laptop is HP EliteBook 840. The battery died a couple of weeks ago and I bought a new one which was shipped from China. You can source the battery yourself. So for changing it, we have to open these little locks here. I just press them to the left side on the unlock position, and you can just slide the cover off. As you can see that the battery is installed here. Look for these small clips which lock the battery in place. So by moving it to the left, you can unlock them, and here my lock is a bit broken, I think, and that's why I am having to pull it off with the using some force. So if you can't just pry it out, then use some screwdriver, or then slowly just peel it off from there. Don't use force, otherwise you might end up breaking some of the hinges, which will be really difficult to replace. Now this is the new battery. Make sure to look for the same locks and just slide it from the above. As you can see, I tried to slide it from the below side, but I was not able to. So the technique here is to uh, come from the top side and just press it inside, like you close a door or something similar to that, and just lock the pins which will secure the battery in place. Make sure to double check and so that the battery is not sliding or moving, and it is firmly in place. I'm making the sure and double checking everything and trying to pull it off, but my battery is in place, so I have locked it. Now make sure that the battery is working. Turn the computer on for a while to check that everything is starting before closing the cover back. So to close the cover, you just have to place it in the similar position when you took it off, and make sure that the hinges are all aligned. As you can see, I have two small points coming out from this side, and I'm going to just press it inside, and when I hear the click sound, and that is a signal that it is firmly in place, and I can just press the lock button. Thank you guys, hope you liked the video.